Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have here the Maybelline New York Shine Free Oil Control Loose Powder that I picked up in the shade Light. And this is one of the products that I got in my big Family Dollar makeup haul. And this cost $5, which for this huge powder seems like a great deal. I saw you can get it at Ulta for like $7.50. You can get it at Walmart for a little less than $5. So this says it has advanced oil control to keep skin fresh, clean, and shine-free for hours. Lightweight powder glides on smoothly and evenly for a flawless matte finish. Won't cause blemishes or overdry the skin. That's great. It's oil-free, won't clog pores, fragrance-free, hypoallergenic. Oh, and I think it actually has an applicator with it. Let's see. It does. It has one of the little puffs that's kind of like a velvety feel. Oh, I was hoping that this whole piece would come off. Oh, maybe it will. Yes, it does. It does have the sifter on it with the holes inside, and you can also take it out completely, which is a feature that I like, and not a lot of loose powders let you completely take it off, but I just find that easier than tapping out some into the cap, because then sometimes I don't tap out the right amount. And I am going to start out by trying to use the applicator. Why not? Oh, this has a lot more color to it than I was expecting, and this puff, is actually holding on a lot of product. I'm trying to tap off the excess, but nothing else is coming off of it. So I'll start out just applying it to half of my face. My nose looks very shiny. My cheeks not so shiny. My chin is dry. And my forehead is shiny. So we can kind of test this on all types of skin. Oh, I'm also excited to see how it is over the large pores that I have here on my cheeks and my nose, to see if it's minimizing. It's not actually as minimizing or blurring as I was expecting. Yeah, where my chin is dry, it is just emphasizing the dryness even more. I didn't really expect this to be great on dry skin. I was expecting this to be a good oily skin product. And it seems to be good on the parts of my face that are shiny. It's not looking powdery or cakey. It really is smooth and mattifying, especially on my nose here. If you could see the difference, side of my nose with it versus without it. My forehead as well. This actually isn't really giving any color to the skin, even though it's very yellowy beige. It's looking completely transparent and clear, undetectable color on my face. So this whole side with it versus without it, it really does look great. Mattifying, gets rid of the shine, but not drying, just like it claimed. I didn't put any foundation on, but I did put my concealer on, and I'm having some creasing. So I'm gonna just pick up a little bit more here. And since it is not giving color to my skin, I feel like I could get away with using this to set the concealer. And I'm liking this applicator. It's really easy to get big areas or small, precise areas, and it's not leaving a texture behind, so I think this is great. And that really does look like a great under eye concealer setting powder, because there is no more creasing, but it doesn't look powdery or dry, and that's something I'm very picky about on my under eyes. And it didn't darken that area, surprisingly, considering how dark the powder looks. I am so happy with this. This is doing everything I would want my loose powder to do, and for only $5. There are so many loose powders that I have tried out that are not nearly as good as this, but so much more expensive. So that's one of my favorite things to find as part of this series is amazing, inexpensive products. And I really do think this could be a go-to, like one of my top recommended setting powders. But let's go ahead and apply it to the other side of my face just to make sure. And then we'll keep an eye on if there is any more creasing that happens on my under eye from the concealer. But it is so quick, easy to apply, and you can see how it just disappears on the skin, but it gets rid of any shine, like putting a filter on the skin. I feel like I have applied so much powder to my face right now, but you cannot tell one bit. It doesn't feel dry, it doesn't look dry or powdery, and you can apply a lot of it and it's not gonna get cakey, it's not gonna be visible. This is seriously such a great formula. I can't believe I hadn't tried this until now because it is so good. And yeah, looking at my under eyes right now into those lines, still no creasing. I am so happy with this. And this technique really worked great for me to take the sifter out completely, just use the applicator. That's even better. I feel like it's very rare for me to love the applicator that comes with a product and prefer to use that over, like I had my dampened sponge here ready to go. I've got brushes, but I'm happy with the little puff that comes in here. So I truly have no complaints about this. And then the fact that it's only $5 and it's a huge powder, I definitely have been missing out on this. I'm sure most people have probably already tried this. And if you have, I would love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.